Okay, we are going to continue practicing representing word problems. And this one is asking us to do a number line and an equation. So let's get started. Cale had $650 in his savings account. He received $200 from his grandparents for his birthday. 3 weeks later, he donated $50 to the local food pantry. Represent the amount of money Cale has now using a number line and an equation. So let's figure out what our important information is. Represent the amount of money Cale has now. That's what it's asking us to find. And our important information is Cale had $650. He received $200, and then he donated $50. So he had a certain amount, then he got some more, and then he donated. To donate means to give away. If you donate, sometimes you guys donate cans for the food drive, the canned food drive. That means you're giving people cans. You don't have those anymore. He donated $50. He doesn't have $50 anymore, okay? So I'm going to use my number line, and I'm going to use my little, my jumps, okay? 650. Well, let's look at this number line down here first. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, all the way to 1100. The middle tick marks, those are going to be in increments of 50. So 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650, all the way down, okay? I'm going to start with 650 because that's the amount of money that he had to begin with. Okay, so I'm going to put my arrow to 650. Then he received $200 from his grandparents. That means his grandparents gave him $200 more. So I'm at 650 plus 100 would be 750 plus another 100 would be $850. So I did this with another color so we can clearly see. So he had $650, then his parents gave him $200 more, so he has an additional $200, so he has $850. So this would be plus $200, okay? But then he donated $50 to the local food pantry. So when he doesn't have it anymore. So I need to go backwards, okay? Minus $50. This amount here represents what he had. He had $650. His grandparents gave him some more money. Then he had $850. Then he gave away some money. He donated it to the local food pantry, and now he has $800. Okay? So our equation would look like $650 plus $200 from grandparents minus $50 donated equals the amount of money I can say Cale has now. All right? That's what this equation would look like. You don't have an answer, okay? You don't have an answer. So you guys are going to continue practicing. You're going to do this one on the next slide, and you're going to be doing this exact problem in a strip diagram.